Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop Microsoft Edge from continuously asking if you wanted it to be set as the default browser on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So open mo lang ang Microsoft Edge web browser. And then dito sa searching bar ay search lang natin yung Edge semicolon / and then blogs. So ito yung kailangan mo lang i-type Edge semicolon / blogs and then press mo lang yung enter. So dito sa search plug ay kailangan lang natin i-search yung show feature and then ito na siya mga kaibigan. So makikita mo na dito yung show features and workflow recommendations. So kailangan lang natin itong i-disable. Okay, so click mo lang tong arrow na to and then pwede mo na itong i-disable. Yan. And then, dito naman sa baba ay pop-up ito. Kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So, click mo tong restart. And then, ganun lang po siya kasimple mga kaibigan. So, makikita mo dito na naka-disable na siya. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.